Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode, what we'll be talking about is the DOM cross-site scripting in jQuery, anchor HREF attribute, sync using location.search source. So basically this lab contains a DOM-based cross-site scripting vulnerability in the submit feedback page. So it uses the jQuery library, this selector, this $sign selector function to find an anchor element and changes the HREF attribute using data from location.search. So to solve this lab, we can use the backlink alert using document.cookie. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first, we can access the lab first. Take a look. So basically, this is what you will see here. So what it says here is that there's actually a vulnerability in the submit feedback form. So let's click on it. So as you can see here, is where you can submit the form, and there's actually a back button, a back link. So let's do that. Let's take a look. So let's select this. You can see the ID is backlink and the HREF is this. So it's going back to the previous one. So this is the URL. So let's take a look at the script. So over here, this is the jQuery library. So basically this function allows you to actually change your attribute. So, for example, this ID backlink is referring to this. The attribute over here can be changed by checking the HREF, which is over here, and it actually allows you to do the Windows.location.search. As we know previously, it allows you to actually select whatever the query parameter and then get return path. Okay. So get this return path over here. Okay, so what we are trying to do here is to actually manipulate this portion. So instead of this / we actually change it to an alert, a JavaScript alert. So how can we do that? Let's take a look at the tutorial. So over here, what it advises is that if we see a jQuery being used, so we need to look up. So we see that a jQuery is being used. We need to look up for syncs that can alter the DOM elements, so the JavaScript function. So in this case, is this attribute function that can change the attributes of the DOM elements. So if the data is read from a user control source like URL, as you can see here, this is the URL. This is what we can control. We can actually pass a value in to actually cause the URL to be submitted in here. Okay, so that every time the user actually click on this backlink, a JavaScript that will be activated. Okay, so what we can do this is to modify the URL. So the source actually contains a malicious JavaScript URL. So let's do that. So what we want to do is using this JavaScript alert document.domain. So we can also do the document.cookie like what they advise. So we can do that to get the cookie of the user. So let's do that and let's launch it. So as you can see now, let's do that. So as you can see here, now there's a pop-up over here. So I'll click on OK. And we have solved this lab. So that's all I have for you now. I will see you in the next video.